Leader crash, but we're all on them.
That's not far off back.
Whoa! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're going out for four-wheel drive mod buggy. I'm qualified second overall, which is pretty awesome. We're at Sandley RC Park. We're at night, Wednesday Night Worlds. We're gonna go out for the four-wheel drive mod buggy starting in P2, see how we do in this main. Oh, KT, good to see you, buddy.
How are you?
Nice expansion, nice build.
Yeah, getting there, huh?
Just did a nice expansion of the track. We're gonna record the mains. You come ripping down the straightaway. The straightaway is dry and loose, but it's fun to hold on to because you're going through a chicane entering and a little bit of an elevation change there. So it really unsettles the car, and then you're trying to hold it straight all the way through here, full power, pretty much to the carpet where the loop is. Make that tight. You do a double here, loop around, and then this section is all like undulating there, then you come around, and this is a triple, although no one's tripling it. Best way to do it is a double single, but for some reason the depth perception is really messing up a lot of racers over in that corner. A lot of people end up jumping to the inside of the pipe. You just have to align yourself way more outside than you think, and then you pretty much jump it in the middle, and you're in a good situation for lining that up for a straight shot through there and whip down the straightaway. Let's see how we do in this four-wheel drive mod buggy. All right, four-wheel drive mod buggy. You get to start from P2. See if we can take these guys down. Okay, practice laps, and yes, we have, if I can get out there we go. We do have Jake ahead of us. He's in the green and white on the grid.
You just raced. You need your marshalling.
The temps have dropped a lot, and now the track is like dewy and slick. We just watched a four-wheel drive B, marshaled them. It was a little bit hectic. See how we do.
Dave Walker.
Yep, we just changed his batteries. All right, Jeremy's just making his way to a spot. Here we go. Four-wheel drive in Maine. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. Everyone on the horn. Less than 5. There we go. Let's be clean. Let's be clean.
Third.
Nice.
Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
Perfect start.
7. 8.
The cookie. Going chip side up.
I just did that jump like Cookie Monster's cookie.
Nice little car. Takers out front.
Second.
AK2. Nesbitt 3. Legastic low 6 4.
6. 7. 8.
Holy leader crash, but we're all on them.
Nesbitt not far off back.
Second. Third. Fourth.
There's our getting the big double.
Fifth. 6. 7. 8. First.
22 4, 22 8, 23 9, 23 4 for your top 4. Joel looking to jump over Brian.
Fifth. 6. 7.
Oh, I rolled it.
He's struggling with the
I
double.
rolled it. Oh, come on.
Running away a little bit.
Second. Third.
It was my mistake, but it dropped me 3
Brian's
positions.
going, then the double. Lost JK. There he comes. There he goes.
Fifth.
Was it good? All right, see how much we can gain back.
First. 7.
There's the green and white there.
Second.
It's through.
Third.
Here comes 2 and 3, red and white. Blue antenna.
Fourth.
There we go, thank you. Let him go.
Fifth.
Yeah, it's a 4.2 for Jake. 2 down, 2.5 to go.
First. Second. Third. 6. 7.
All right, I think I'm catching them, but
Fourth.
Ryan and Joel.
Fifth.
Oh, someone dusted us out. Oh,
First. Second. Third. Sixth. Seventh. Fourth.
okay, I'm in. Oh, sorry.
2 minutes left to gate.
Grab a second center.
Fifth. First.
Akers.
Thank you.
On the way.
Second.
5.2 is the gap.
Fourth.
1.5 to go. 1.5 to go. Leaders in the triples coming up to you guys.
Seventh. Eighth. Fifth.
I
First.
think I'm running out of time. Oh, there was a big crash by Joel, but I'm
That cookie getting the
pretty-
double wrong.
pretty far away from everyone.
Come on, say it ain't so.
Third. Fourth. Sixth. Seventh. First. Fifth.
Leader over the big double, green and white. Oy.
1 minute left. Second.
1 to go.
1 minute.
The battle is still Brian and Joel, separated by less than half a second this entire run.
Trying to catch him, but they're 2 corners ahead.
Joel keeps it tight.
Sixth. Seventh. First. Fifth. Eighth.
2 laps to go, 2 cards out. Brian gets it wrong. Joel tucks in.
Fourth.
Whoa!
First. Sixth. Fifth.
Here we go, white flag waving this lap down, last lap. Jakers on cruise control. Brian trying to hold off with everything he's got. Goes long. But not as long as normal. Good, Joel gets it right. Heading up the hill. That's second and third. Red and white, blue antenna. Thank you. Into the triples.
Sixth Pascal packet done.
Here
First
they
Jake
come,
Soldier.
Joel blasting it.
Fifth Severstein done.
Oh,
Brian
yes.
Nesbitt done.
So it's Jaker, Brian, Joel. Trey Gage, Seven, Jeff St. Pierre.
Not finished yet, but
Eighth Dave
4th.
Walker done.
Here I come. Whoa!
All drivers are finished. Fourth John Kennedy done.
Oh, that was unfortunate. Over there when I got tussled up, and then a Marshall, and then a Marshall, and oh, I rolled it.
He's struggling with the
I
double.
rolled it. Oh, come on.
Running away a little bit.
Get me back on my wheels, but hey, I crashed. That's how it goes. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.